Smart floor lamps are everywhere right now. Most of them let you change colors, and that's about it. But this one adds something different: AI scene generation and full voice assistant control. Alexa, turn on the living light.
Okay.
This is the Neewer smart floor lamp NF1. And today we're going through everything, from setup to smart features, and see if it's actually useful in a home. Let's start with what you get in the box. Inside you get the base, a screwdriver, the screws, the mounting brackets, the pole section. You'll also get a nice remote, it looks professional. On the other side of the box you'll find the LED strip and the power adapter. The build is aluminium with a silicone diffuser along the strip, which helps distribute the light more evenly instead of showing individual LED dots. And I really like the design, it looks and feels professional. Now let's see how easy it is to mount. You connect the pole section using the brackets and tighten them with the included screws. Insert the LED strip into the pole section. I found it easier to push it in gradually along the pole. Now attach the pole to the base and connect the cable. And that is it. To unlock the smart features, you'll need the Neewer Home app. It connects over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and pairing takes about 1 minute. Once connected, you'll get full control over brightness, white temperature, RGB colors, scenes, music mode, and AI mode. Now, let's talk about actual lighting performance. This lamp supports adjustable white temperature, from warm light for relaxing to cooler daylight tones. At full brightness, it outputs up to 1500 lumens, which is quite strong for a corner lamp. That's important, because many corner lamps are mostly decorative. This one is bright enough to actually contribute to lighting a room. Is it replacing your ceiling light? No, but as a secondary room lighting, it's definitely usable. In RGB mode, you get full color wheel control. You can manually adjust brightness and saturation or use preset scene modes. Transition between colors are smooth, and brightness is adjustable in RGB mode as well. Set the brightness to 50%.
Okay.
There's also a music mode. I'll set the sensitivity and speed around 75. That seems to be a good balance. It reacts to sound either from the built-in microphone or from your phone. It's responsive enough for moderate tempo music and works well for background ambience. Now, this is where it gets more interesting. We have the AI mode. Instead of manually picking colors and brightness or scenes, you just type a keyword, or easier, you just upload a photo and it will generate a lighting scene. It creates completely different color combinations and transition styles. This is useful if you don't want to spend time fine-tuning lighting manually. So AI scenes are subtle, some are more dramatic. Not all of them will fit every room, but it's definitely a feature you don't usually see in most corner lamps. And this makes it feel more interactive. It also integrates with Alexa, so let's set this up. In the Alexa app, you need to go to the skills and add the Neewer skill. Just type in the search Neewer and you will find it. It will ask you for your Neewer account credentials. Once you fill that in, click Enable Skill, and that is it. Alexa, turn on the living light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the color to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set the brightness to 50%.
Okay.
So you can control this lamp in 3 ways: through the app, through the voice assistants like Alexa or Google, or using the included remote. The remote feels professional, easy to use, and sometimes you just want quick brightness or color adjustments without opening an app. And compared to typical floor lamp remotes, this one really stands out. Of course, you can control everything from the app, but sometimes it's just quicker to grab the remote for simple things like brightness, turning it on and off, or changing colors. So now for the final thoughts. What is this lamp really good for? It's not replacing your ceiling light, but as a tall, bright corner lamp with adjustable white light, RGB music mode, AI scene generation, and voice control, it's very flexible. The AI mode is probably the standout feature here. It adds something a bit different compared to most basic RGB floor lamps. And with up to 1500 lumens, it's not just decorative, it can actually contribute lighting the room. And it's good for living rooms, gaming setups, studio backgrounds, or even smart routines. It can be a great option. One thing I would have liked to see is Matter support. That would allow it to work more easily across platforms like Home Assistant, Homey, or Apple Home. But for the price, I think this is a solid and professional looking floor lamp that can fit nicely into many different setups. Neewer sent this unit for review, and I'll leave an affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out. If you enjoy smart home and automation content like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.